Hola amigo, welcome back to Mabelreact. I'm Mabel, and today we are going to Germany. So today we are going to Germany, and the title says 10 must eat dishes in Germany, ultimate German food tour. That's what we're going to be reacting to it today. Before we get into it, if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below and like the video so you can reach more people, and drop your video suggestion in the comment section. And it's going to also support the channel by watching my ads, super chatting, super thanksing, and also, yeah, that's how you can support our channel. Let's get into it.
What's up everybody, we are Diana and Phil, and this video is all about German food that you need to eat.
Okay.
A question that I get often is, what food should I try when I visit Germany? So we put together a list of top 10 dishes to try when in Germany.
Okay.
Number 1, sausages.
There are so many delicious sausages in Germany, some in all shapes, sizes, colors, and lengths.
Wow. Sausages comes in colors
Yeah,
and sizes.
so this could be a whole video by itself, so we're just gonna mention a few of the more popular wieners. A very famous one is currywurst, which originated in Berlin post-World War II by using ketchup and curry powder from British soldiers in Germany and making the famous curry ketchup over a grilled pork sausage. It's one of the most...
This currywurst looks like French fries and sausage. Is it not the same thing? Because I'm seeing chips, something that looks like Irish potato chips there, and I'm seeing ketchup, which is what we in our country what we call French fries, and chicken and chips with ketchup. Yeah, but I don't know. I think, but it might be a different kind of food. Sure. Let's see what.
Popular street foods in Germany and a must-try if you're ever in Berlin.
There's also the Thuringia sausage from the German state Thuringia, and I personally love this one a lot. The minced meat is local from the German state with spices and usually garlic. The oldest known reference to the Thuringia sausage dates back to 1404, and this one is definitely on the smokier side, and I really love it.
There is also the famous Weißwurst.
I love the
If you're
plate.
in Munich or Bavaria,
delicious.
this is also a must-try. It translates to white sausage, and it's a very lighter area sausage. The traditional version is made with minced veal and pork back bacon, and if you order a Weißwurst in Bavaria, it will often be served with sweet mustard, and you can eat it with or without its skin.
The next sausage is the Nuremberger Rostbratwurst. These sausages are small and very flavorful. They are often served in restaurants with a side of a potato salad or on the streets in a bread roll. The recipe can be dated back to 1300 and a must-try if you're ever in Nuremberg.
Salad.
There is also the Frankfurter Würstchen, which is very common sausage meant for boiling. Wow. This one is more common in at-home meals when we aren't outside and grilling.
A big stick of meat. This is life.
You look so happy. Number 2, Rouladen. Rinderroulade means beef roulade, and it is a German meat dish where a thin slice of beef is rolled with bacon, onions and pickles and then cooked as a roll. It is very good, and Germans often have it for bigger or more important holidays or family events. It is a little bit more of a winter dish though.
Rouladen. It looks so tasty, like I love meat. Hearing the meat roll and makes me want to try it. Like, it looks so tasty. Like, I would. Like, I'm already salivating here looking at it. Like, it looks so tasty. And the way they roasted it is the golden brown nature makes you want to, like, eat it.
Yeah, and there's also the Kohlroulade or cabbage rolls, which are minced meat wrapped in cabbage leaves and baked together. This dish is one of my favorite dishes, and I know a lot of cabbage roll style dishes are very popular throughout the world. In Germany, it's more of a savory dish, and we've attempted to make this at home several times ourselves.
Here we go, here we go.
The moment of truth.
Moment of truth. Are you ready?
Well,
wow.
it looks cooked through.
Yeah. Add some
Looks a little
sauce.
dry, but we'll see.
We'll see. It looks okay.
Good. Yeah.
Number 3, Schnitzel. Schnitzel is a must-try when visiting Germany. It's just a thin slice of meat that has been tenderized and breaded before frying. For the meat, you can usually choose between pork and chicken, but there's also the more traditional veal variant or trending vegetarian options. The most famous one is probably the Wiener Schnitzel, which is originally from Austria as Wien is the German word for Vienna. But schnitzels are everywhere in Germany, and there are other types of schnitzels, like my favorite, the Jäger Schnitzel. It's like a hunter's or huntsman's schnitzel, which is a schnitzel with mushroom sauce, and it's so good.
Yum. And my personal favorite is probably the chicken schnitzel with hollandaise sauce.
Oh yeah.
Yum.
Yum. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Wasp.
Beautiful
Food is not for you.
Number 4, Käsespätzle. Käsespätzle is a very popular German dish originating in the south of Germany, but you'll find it throughout Germany in most restaurants. And for that dish, hot small noodle or dumpling things and grated cheese are mushed together and finally decorated with fried onions.
It is one of my favorite dishes.
This one doesn't really look that tasty, but I'm sure it will be. The plating doesn't really look so enticing like the rest I'm watching, but I'm sure it will be tasty, because most times those food that does not look so beautiful in the plate are the ones that have the most yummiest taste, you know? Yeah.
Is when it's a good one. You can say that it's like mac and cheese's cousin. It's not quite the same thing though. And the fried onions
Looks
on
like
top
a
are
Greek
a
yogurt
must.
with toppings. Greek yogurt with
Dude,
toppings.
I think the best bites are the ones with the onions in it. These fried onions. Yeah, so that salad's for you, and that small plate is for you. This is all for me.
Number 5, Fischbrötchen. Fischbrötchen or fish sandwich is a go-to snack, especially in the north of Germany. It's a fish sandwich usually served with onions, pickles, some type of sauce like a remoulade or creamy horseradish sauce. Matjes, a type of herring, is probably the most popular one, but you can find Fischbrötchen with salmon, mackerel, cod and other fish as well.
This.
Yeah, when we were
I won't be trying this because I love to eat fish, but not very much. I'm not really a lover of fish, and if I must eat fish, it must be fried or roasted, and it must be very spicy, like, because most times when I eat fish, I feel like something nauseous or something like that. So I don't think I'll be trying this one. It's someone that likes to eat both boiled, cooked, or any type of fish can eat, but me that doesn't like fish that are not roasted or fried, I might not be liking this one. I eat fish, if I eat it in form of pepper soup, I like to put lots and lots of pepper, like makes it really, really spicy, so I won't be able to get that nauseous feeling. So I won't be trying this out.
were in Hamburg, we tried the Nordseekrabbenbrötchen, which is made up of tiny, tiny shrimps.
Yeah.
It was really, really good. I like it.
But it was
I
freaking
love this
expensive.
one. I love
that one
shrimps.
was 10 euros
Oh.
for one Fischbrötchen. That's like a once-in-a-lifetime meal right
Wow.
there.
All right, I'm going for the big bite.
10 euro.
Oh my god. You're losing them.
10 euro is more than 15,000 in my currency. So yeah, it's really, really expensive.
If you drop one of these bad boys, it's like euro down the drain.
Number 6,
Euro
Schweinshaxe.
down the drain.
Schweinshaxe is a very iconic dish, especially popular again in the south of Germany, and a common dish, for example, at the Oktoberfest. It's a roasted pork knuckle that is just so good. It has a crispy bacon outside layer and then a soft, fatty, flavorful layer underneath, and then just slow-cooked, tender meat that falls right off its bone. It's absolutely delicious. I'm watering.
You're drooling.
Yeah, and I think if you're a fan of barbecue, you have to try that when you're in Germany.
Yeah, it's really
Yeah,
good.
I like
Number
pork
7,
and I love barbecue as well.
Mettbrötchen. This next one is Mettbrötchen or Hackepeter, and it's raw ground pork or Met that is seasoned.
I noticed that their L, they are pronouncing it as blee, like met bleaching. Because if you ask me to pronounce it, I'll say Mettbrötchen. We'll say met bleaching, which means their R is pronounced as L. Okay? Point to notes.
With salt and pepper and sometimes garlic and other spices. And then it's eaten raw on a bread roll and sometimes served with onions and butter underneath.
Yeah, it's definitely something for the more daring eaters. It's very tasty, but very unusual texture as well. I've had it a few times, and I believe all of them have been on camera. So I will say, if you're going to try this, go to a proper butcher or restaurant with an open mind.
Number 8, Flammkuchen. Flammkuchen is a pizza-like dish with a very thin crust, usually served with onions, bacon, and a creme fraiche topping. It originates from the Alsace region, which is in the border area between France and Germany, and it has kind of a blended culture of both countries.
Yeah, I love Flammkuchen. It's such a wonderful light meal for me. There are a lot of variations, some with mushrooms and different cheeses. Some are even as a sweet dessert with like apples, but my favorite is the standard onion and bacon
like
version.
pizza, nice.
I love it.
It can pass as pizza.
Flammkuchen. The best.
It can pass as
Durch Speck und
pass as
Zwiebel. Oh,
pizza.
lecker, sehr lecker.
Number 9, Döner Kebab. Not McDonald's, not Burger King, not Subway or anything else. The Döner Kebab.
Wow, beautiful dishes. Like me here. I want to start eating it from my screen now. Like everything looks so tasty, looks so yummy. Except one or two that I might not be trying, but every other thing looks very, very delicious. I'm someone that loves food, I love to discover food. But fish, I always have a problem with fish, especially when it's cooked by someone else. Yeah.
Is Germany's most popular fast food. And it is also the best value meal on this list and an absolute must try if you're ever in Germany. It's a wholly delicious meal that I miss dearly whenever we're not in Germany. So basically it's a sandwich style dish with rotisserie meat, usually chicken or veal, and then it's served with some different sauces and veggies like tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, white cabbage,
tasty.
and if it's good one, red cabbage as well.
This specific dinner style was created in Berlin by a Turkish restaurateur who combined the rotisserie meat and mixed salad into bread. It has fully become the staple in Germany. There are vegetarian falafel versions as well for those who aren't meat eaters.
Dude,
He's getting things all over his beard lately.
dude, it's so good. It's one of the best I have ever had.
Really?
Seriously, yeah.
Number 10, bread and pastries. We cannot forget about German bread and of course other baked goods from German bakeries.
Germany is
looks
known
really
for the
tasty.
fresh bread, and there are a lot of delicious different bread types, and there are a ton of bakery items and sweet treats. I love them. My very first trip to Germany, we made a video trying a lot of delicious snacks from the local bakeries, and years later, I'm still finding and trying new pastries and cakes from each city in Germany. Honestly, there are too many to list out, so go and watch one of our other food videos if you're interested. But one of my all-time favorites is a Nussecke, which translates to nut corner. It's a short crust pastry base topped with some type of jam layer and then roasted nuts on top. Another one is a Franzbrötchen. It's like a way denser croissant with cinnamon and butter. I love it.
Yeah, and for the bread part, my recommendation would be to go to a bakery and choose from any of the darker, heavier, denser options, maybe with or without seeds. The further you go away from the standard white bread, the better. And one of my favorites though is the Laugenbrötchen. That's a pretzel-style bread roll. It's very nice. Number 11, side dishes. As a bonus, we quickly wanted to mention some sides that are very popular here and will probably come with one of the dishes we've previously mentioned. The first popular side being Knödel or Klöße, which are just boiled dumplings. There are rice and potato-based versions, very commonly served with most meat dishes.
Another one is sauerkraut, which is finely cut fermented cabbage. It's one of the most famous sides and traditionally served warm with some type of pork dish.
There's also potatoes and potato salad everywhere. There are different variations of potato salad though. There's a popular debate between mayonnaise-based potato salad and then vinegar-based potato salads. I personally prefer a vinegar-based potato salad, but a good potato salad is still a good potato salad, you know? Can't complain.
All right, so that was our long list of popular dishes that you should try. And of course, there are way, way more like Labskaus from Hamburg and other regional dishes as well.
Wow, that's a lot of dishes. Like they have Germany have lots and lots of dishes, and everything looks really, really tasty. Like both the ones with mushroom, potato salad, the dumplings, everything looks so beautiful, looks so tasty. Like I love, like if I get that, I'll be lost in eating because I love to try out new dishes. Not really that, not necessarily like I love to eat, but I love to try out new dishes, like, and if I love a dish, I can eat it over and over again. And here has given me an insight, because I love Germany. If I am able to travel and to tour the world as I have always dreamt of, Germany will be on my list. Their side dishes are also very heavy, like it can serve as a meal for me. Their side dishes can serve, especially all those potato salad, fermented cabbage one and all that. I can't pronounce those their names, but I'm going to be writing down my favorites of them in my diary, so that when I get there, I won't be lost in trying out. I'll first of all try the ones I already know their names before I will be able to try other ones. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're from Germany, drop more about your food suggestion for me, so I can also add it in my diary, in my list in the future. Anyways, I'll see you in the next